If you are looking for the best radio alarm clock,
here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
Number 1. Most popular, Emerson SmartSet Alarm Clock Radio. With Emerson's award-winning and patented SmartSet technology, the flashing 12 o'clock display is a thing of the past. The ER100301 digital tuning clock radio automatically sets itself on the first use to the correct year, month, date, day, and time. The clock radio features Bluetooth V4.1 digital tuning FM radio, includes a USB output for mobile charging, 2.1 amp, 5 volt, and a large, easy-to-read LED display. The alarm can be programmed to operate on weekdays only, weekends only, or all 7 days of the week. Number 2. DreamSky Decent Alarm Clock Radio. You can't go wrong with a clock radio, and this one from DreamSky checks all the right boxes. The 4-inch LCD display is easy to read, and the simple interface lets you program the radio to play for a preset length of time while you fall asleep. In the morning, you can wake up to either a buzzer or the sound of the radio, with the option of 8-minute snooze intervals for up to an hour. It also includes a USB charging port and adjustable brightness control. Number 3. JBL Horizon Bluetooth Clock Radio. The JBL Horizon Clock Radio starts your day with room-filling JBL stereo sound, enriched with the multi-sensory ambient glow of LED lights. The Horizon features 2 separate customizable alarms for you or your partner. Wake up to one of the 3 original digital alarm tones, the FM station of your choice, music from your smartphone via Bluetooth, or a traditional buzzer. It offers 5 programmable FM radio presets and can also stream music wirelessly from any Bluetooth phone or tablet. The Horizon features a compact design suitable for placement on any nightstand or kitchen shelf. Number 4. Philips SmartSleep HF3520/60 Alarm Clock. Alarm clocks that use light to wake you up are a smart alternative to your typical buzz-based gadgets. Intended to mimic the sensation of rising with the sun, the clock uses a light that grows gradually brighter over the course of 20 or 40 minutes prior to your chosen alarm time. You can adjust the light to a level that's comfortable for you and your room, and the alarm itself takes the form of one of 5 nature-inspired sounds rather than a harsh ring. It also includes an FM radio and snooze function. Number 5. Sangean RCR20 FM-RDS Clock Radio. The Sangean RCR20 FM-IDS AM Bluetooth aux-in USB charging digital tuning clock radio has all the great features you would want in a clock radio. The RCR20 allows you to stream audio from your smartphone or other source to the stereo speakers that can be tuned to your liking with bass and treble controls. The RCR20 also allows you to charge your smartphone or other devices with its built-in USB charging port. Also built in with the assistance of 2 AA batteries is power backup, so you don't lose.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.